Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. I'm going to click on here to open my Google browser. Having opened up your Google browser, next thing you want to do is click on this camera icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to position. Next thing you need to do is to click on open camera. The next thing you need to do is to position the camera over the keyhard code, just like what you see right here. Then, just like so. Then it has recognized a link. Click on the link. It automatically load up to a new page. Just like what you see right here. In a few seconds, you're going to see the product detail of that particular keyhard code right here. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. This is how you can scan keyhard code of any product with Google Lens. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Lens, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.